Traveling can make our hair go dry and frizzy. Luckily, my soulflower hair care.
Jai Guruji, Sangatji, before starting the satsang, I will chant the mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Sangatji, this satsang is mainly based on the experience, so I want to share my personal satsang with all of you. The satsang I am sharing today is about how Guruji helped me, how he protected me, and from what kind of situation he protected me. I will share everything that I personally experienced. There are many moments in our life that when they suddenly appear in front of us, we are not able to control ourselves or our emotions. Suddenly, we became depressed. Sometimes a person sees or hears something related to the past, and suddenly all the memories start flashing back. It feels as if everything is happening right now, even if those incidents happened many years ago. Sometime something similar happened with me. I heard something that reminded me of my past, and suddenly it felt as if everything was happening again. Some memories are so deep and painful that they have a strong mark on our hearts. Even hearing or seeing something slightly related to them can make us suddenly feel depressed. When a person falls into depression, even if the day was going normally, morning was fine and afternoon was also fine, suddenly the mind becomes restless and disturbed. The same thing happened to me. My mind became very restless. It felt like everything was happening again in front of me. All the old memories and flashbacks were playing like a movie on a screen. Suddenly I started crying and I couldn't control myself. Earlier this used to happen to me very often, but after Guruji came into my life, it became very rare. I thank Guruji for supporting me during that time. Earlier, whenever I remember something painful, I would cry for 1, 2, or even 3 hours continuously and couldn't control myself. In fact, I had almost lost everything in my life. I did not know what happiness was. I only knew sadness and depression. I had no interest in real life activities like dancing, cooking. I only studied and scrolled reels. That was my life. But when Guruji came into my life, everything changed. I started thinking about my life, my health, and my lifestyle. I realized that my lifestyle wasn't good. After the realization, I started working on the activities I wanted to do. Guru Guru Kripa helped me a lot. Guruji helped me come out of depression. He supported me every moment. My life had become very toxic. Sometimes in life, a person experiences so much negativity from others that it becomes very difficult to come out of it. But I consider myself lucky because I had Guru Kripa. Guruji helped me come out of that toxic life. As soon as I heard about him, my life completely changed. Within a year, I permanently came out of that toxic environment. After that, I started working on myself. I started realizing my activities and my life. I thank Guruji because as soon as he came into my life, everything changed 360 degrees. I never imagined that my life would change like this. Now I understand what I like, what my favorite things are, and what I want in my life. Earlier, I didn't even know what my favorite things were. But now, even when I drink water, I feel happy. Guruji has filled my life with so much happiness and contentment that I can't explain it. There are still problems in my life, but there is no stress. It feels like Guruji has taken away all my stress permanently. Problems may exist, but stress is no longer there. In today's world, people take stress for every small thing. Stress can destroy a person's health, daily life, and overall happiness. But Guruji removed that stress from my life. Earlier, I used to worry about small things, even about school work. But now everything has changed. I never imagined that I could live a stress free life. Earlier, I felt that every third person was my enemy and that nobody thought that good about me. But even though problems still exist around me, I don't feel even 1% stress. Now there is a strong feeling inside me that I am safe, completely safe. No one can hurt me anymore. Thank you, Guruji, for being in my life. I always pray that you remain in my life forever. No matter how many comforts or people I have in my life, you will always be the most important. Sangaji, I also request all of you that no one life is perfect. If everyone has some problem, health, money, or family issues, but taking stress it will not solve anything. Stress only weakens a person from inside. Instead of stress, do mantra chanting and have a faith in Guruji. Faith is the most important thing that will keep you away from the stress and make your life easier. Do mantra chanting daily. Even if you do it silently in your mind without moving your lips, it's very important, it's very powerful. I have personally experienced this. Sometimes when I walked outside, mantra chanting would start automatically in my mind. It felt as if someone else was chanting through me. Later I realized that chanting silently from the heart is very powerful and protect us from negativity. Guruji first showed me these things through experience and later made me understand them. About 15 days ago, I was very sick. Earlier, I used to suffer from the very strong hiccups. They were so loud that even people outside the house could hear them. My whole body would shake and I would feel pain in my chest and respiratory system. But since Guruji came into my life, these hiccups has almost disappeared. It has been nearly 2 years and I rarely experience them now. After I shared my first satsang, I noticed that they stopped completely. That is, that is when I realized how powerful satsang sharing is. It has the same power as performing a big prayer. Once I also had a tight pain in the center of my chest, but after applying the ghee prasad once with Guruji blessing, that problem never came back. Now I feel extremely protected and safe. Guruji has filled every empty space in my life. Whenever I am in pain and I pray to see him, I actually feel his presence for hours. He listens to me and fulfills my needs. He gives me comfort, satisfaction, and blessing. For that, I say endless thanks to Guruji. I request all of you never gossip about others and never think badly about anyone. Even bad thoughts are equal to wrongdoing. Leave everything to Guruji and share your problems with him. Do mantra chanting, have faith, and you will slowly see your life changing. One day, when you look back, you will realize how far you have come and how much negativity you have left behind. If you feel like crying in front of Guruji, it lightens the heart. Earlier, I used to cry almost every day, but since Guruji came into my life, my crying has almost stopped. If you have pain anywhere in your body, apply Guruji Chandan Tilak mixed with Jal Prasad. It is very beneficial for health. With this, I conclude today's satsang. Sangaji, if you also want to share your divine satsang experience, you can send it to the number given in the description box. जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, धन धन गुरु जी, जय जय गुरु जी, वाह वाह गुरु जी.
Haircut arrived from like